Whether you're framing a new deck, ripping through sheet goods, or tackling a weekend DIY project, a reliable circular saw is the absolute backbone of your workshop. But with so many options hitting the market, finding the perfect balance of power, accuracy, and battery life can feel like a project in itself. Well, we've done the heavy lifting for you. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best circular saws of 2026. We've tested them for cutting speed, ergonomics, and overall value to help you find the perfect match for your tool crib. Just a quick heads up, all the product links, updated pricing, and exclusive discounts are waiting for you down in the description below. Let's dive in. 5. Skill 5280-01. If you're looking for a circular saw that absolutely rips through projects without breaking a sweat, this is it. It packs a serious punch with a powerful 15-amp motor pushing 5,300 RPM, meaning you get faster, cleaner cuts every single time. It comes ready to rock right out of the box with a 7-4-inch carbide-tipped blade, and the spindle lock makes swapping blades a breeze. For bevel cuts, you get a massive 51-degree capacity with a super convenient positive stop at 45 degrees. But what I love most are the smart, user-friendly details. The built-in dust blower actually keeps your cut line clear so you can see what you're doing. And between the safety lock guarded trigger and the power on indicator, you get a ton of peace of mind against accidental starts. It's reliable, safe, and an absolute workhorse for any DIYer or pro. 4. Bosch CS10. If you're looking for a beast of a circular saw that won't break your back, this Bosch model is an absolute game changer. Right out of the box, you can feel the premium build. It features a high-strength, lightweight magnesium upper guard and a die-cast magnesium footplate that provides unmatched durability and flatness while keeping the total weight at a very manageable 10.2 pounds. Don't let the lighter weight fool you, though. The 15-amp motor packs a serious punch, delivering clean cuts up to 2 to 7/16 inches at 90 degrees. Bosch also nailed the user experience here with an anti-snag lower guard, high-contrast bevel and depth scales that are incredibly easy to read, and a generous 56-degree bevel capacity. Plus, they built in some fantastic workflow features, like a convenient integrated saw hook for easy storage between cuts, optimized sightlines, and exclusive bevel louvers that clear away dust so you can actually see your line. Maintenance is also a breeze, thanks to the removable end cap for quick brush replacements. It's tough, precise, and engineered to last, making it a must-have for any job site or DIY garage. 3. Makita 5007 MG. If you're looking for a circular saw that balances raw power with everyday comfort, this magnesium-built beast is a serious game changer. By swapping out heavy steel for magnesium components, it drops the weight to a remarkably light 10.6 pounds, giving you a perfectly balanced tool that's built job site tough without wearing out your arms. Under the hood, a ferocious 15.0 AMP motor cranks out 5 to 800 RPM of pure, proven performance to slice through tough materials with ease. It features dual built-in LED lights that perfectly illuminate your line of cut for pinpoint accuracy, alongside a massive 2.5-inch cutting capacity at 90 degrees, plus with a versatile 0 to 56-degree bevel capacity, featuring handy positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees, and a solid 1-year warranty. It's a reliable, high-performance workhorse that genuinely delivers on the promise of durability. 2. Milwaukee 2732 20NNO. All right, guys, let's talk durability and features on this unit. Right off the bat, a quick heads up on the unboxing. When this arrives, it'll either be in its original packaging that's been opened just to inspect the contents, or in clean, non-retail packaging like a plain brown box or clear bag. But don't let that fool you. The tool itself is an absolute beast. It's built with a magnesium shoe and guards for maximum durability without weighing you down. On the job, they really thought of everything. You get an integrated rafter hook for easy storage between cuts, a super bright LED light for pinpoint accuracy, and a built-in dust port with an included vacuum adapter to keep your workspace clean. Best of all, it features an electric brake that stops the blade almost instantly the second you release the trigger. It's tough, it's safe, and it's built to work. 1. DEWALT DCS 391B. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance circular saw that dominates both woodworking projects and tough job site construction, this is it. Packing a massive 50 to 150 RPM motor, it delivers the raw power and speed needed to breeze through demanding cuts in lumber and sheet goods. It's built for the long haul with a high-strength, lightweight magnesium shoe that ensures long-term accuracy, while the optimized rubber overmolded comfort grip gives you incredible balance and control. You get fantastic versatility with a 0 to 50-degree bevel capacity and an included 6.5-inch 18-tooth carbide-tipped blade that cleanly slices through 2x material at both 90 and 45 degrees. Add in convenient features like a spindle lock for keyless blade changes, the ultimate portability of a cordless tool, and a solid 3-year limited warranty, and you have an absolute workhorse that deserves a spot in your toolkit. And that wraps up our countdown of the top 5 best circular saws of 2026. Whether you're a weekend DIY warrior or a seasoned pro on the job site, trading up to the right saw is going to save you tons of time and clean up those cuts. If you want to grab one of these saws for yourself or just check out the latest pricing, I've dropped all the product links right down in the description below. If this video helped you narrow down your choice, go ahead and smash that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming tool breakdowns. Thanks for watching, stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.